Welcome, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a high quality Photoshop brush. Okay, and let's begin. So first we're going to need an image, and I have an image here that I've made with I have an image here that I've made with the brushes that I've created with Photoshop, and I'm going to use this one to show you guys how to make a high quality brush. Okay, so once you have your image open, first thing you want to do is go to your marquee tool and select the elliptical marquee. Alright, and we're gonna drag a marquee circle, selecting a circular portion of the image. And you want to make sure that when you select the circular portion that you want to use for your brush, make sure that it's a little it has a little gap from the edges. So I'm gonna start right now, and I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna press the shift key, click the mouse and drag, and I'm gonna stop right here. And once you have your circle selected, like the one that I have here, you could drag it to center it. Make sure it's in the center of the image. And as I've said before, you wanna drag it so that it has a good amount of space from the edge. Alright, and once you have your marquee circle selected, um, you wanna create a new layer. Go to your brush tool, and you wanna make sure that the color that you're using is black. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color in the marquee circle, but make sure that you have your new layer selected. So we're gonna color in the marquee circle black. We'll go to our selective tool, and we're gonna select the image layer. And next, with the marquee circle still selected, with the marquee circle still selected, we're gonna create a new mask. And as you can see, we've created a mask on the image. You want to select the mask area and make sure that you unselect um, the top layer. And what you want to do next is go to select menu and select the refine mask. And what we're going to do, we're going to adjust the feathering. And as you swipe the feathering more, as you give it more feathering, you're going to notice that the edge become more and more smooth. And this is what we're looking for. So what we want to do is keep dragging, and you want to drag it so make sure that the feathering doesn't come all the way out to the edge, but you want to get it as close as possible to the edge as you can, but you don't want it to come to the edge. So make sure that you adjust it good enough so that none of the feathering comes out to the edge. And you can also use these values to adjust the feathering and the edge, shift edge slider. Okay, so once you're done smoothing the edge of the mask, what you want to do is click OK, and as you see, you get a feathered circular portion of your image. And what you want to do next is select the image layer, the image portion, and make sure that you're not on the layer mask portion. You want to make sure that you select the image portion. And with your image layer selected, what you want to do is go to edit and click on define brush and give your brush a name. OK, and select your brush, and you could find your, all you have to do is scroll down, select, this is the brush that we recently just created, or you could right click and the brush that you just created will be the last brush. And what you want to do is go back to your top layer. We're going to use this layer to test our brush out, and make sure that you make the layer visible. Press X to switch between the black and white color, and now you can color in your image using the brush. As you can see, you can create all different kind of textures using this brush. And that marked the end of this tutorial. See you next time.